Hello, today we are discussing bus topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. The Cisco Packet Tracer is a network simulator tool provided by Cisco. User can design and interact with network topologies. Here we can design different types of topologies, building network and troubleshooting on Packet Tracer. User can start to build their knowledge of network before working on real network. How to download Cisco Packet Tracer? Go on cisco.netcat.net. Click on Enroll to download Packet Tracer. Enroll in the Introduction to Packet Tracer course. Finish registration for the Network Academy. Registration. Start the Introduction to Packet Tracer course. Follow the download instruction. It is totally free of cost. It is 10 hours course by Netcat Academy. Now, we have to create the bus topology. We know there in bus topology only one backbone cable connected to several end devices. Here, 5 end devices are connected to one backbone cable. Now, we are discussing how to create that bus topology in Cisco Packet Tracer. In the bottom left hand side, we see different type of network devices. There is a router, switches, hubs, wireless devices, security one. This one is the different types of wireless devices. These are the hubs, these are the switches, and these are the WAN. And next one is the these are the end devices: PC, laptop, server, phone, iPhone, voice over IP devices, TVs. Next one is the component. This one is the connecting cables. Here is the automatic cable. This one is the console cable. This one is the copper straight through cable. This one is the copper crossover cable. This one is the fiber one. This one is the phone one. Here's the different types of cable one. Now we are creating the bus topology. First, we have to add the end devices. Here we are getting just click on the PC and click on the system. We are that automatically added into a PC 01. Next, we want another system. Click and paste here. One more, total 3, this 4 and 5. We added 5 pieces. Now we want to connect all them in a backbone cable. So we require a network devices. Here we are getting one switch. Okay? Switch 1 for PC 0, next switch for PC 1, next switch for PC 2, next switch for PC 3, and next switch for PC 4. Now we are connecting through automatic cable. PC 1 to switch 0, switch 0 to switch 1, switch 1 to PC 1, switch 2 to PC 2, switch 1 to switch 2, switch 2 to switch 3, switch 3 to PC 3, switch 3 to switch 4, switch 4 to PC 4. Now we are connected all 5 system in a local area network in a backbone cable one. Now we have to assign the PC1 as a IP address. Just click on that. We are get the properties of the PC0. Now go to desktop option. Here is the assign the IP configuration one. Here two type of configuration. One is the DSCP and second one is the static. Just assign the static IP address 192.168.1.1. Just click on tab. We get the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Next is the default gateway. The default gateway is 192.168.2.1 and click on close. That one automatically assign the IP address to system 1. Next we have to assign the IP address to PC2. Click on that. PC1, go to desktop, IP configuration, assign 192.168.1.2. Default subnet mask and default gateway 192.168.2.1 and close it. Next PC2, 192.168.1.3 subnet mask and default gateway 192.168.2.1. Close it. PC4 desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.4 subnet mask and default gateway 192.168.2.1. Close it. And PC4 192.168.1.5 192.168.2.1. Close it. Now we assign all 5 system IP addresses. Now we want to transfer packet from PC0 to PC3. Just click here on the packet 1. Click on the packet. Here is the packet in the upper one. Click on PC0. It is the source one. Now we want to transfer the packet from PC0 to PC3. One packet is PC0 and second packet to PC3. Now we want to transfer this packet. Here is the right hand side bottom. One is the simulation tool. Click on that simulation tool and click on play. Now the packet from PC0 to transfer to switch 0. From switch 0, the next packet transfer to switch 1. In simulation panel, there is the devices and add devices and types showing. Now switch 1 to switch 2. After that switch 2 to switch 3. Switch 2 to finally PC3. Means from the source PC0 to packet received to the destination PC3. After receiving the packet, it's so returning the acknowledgement. Acknowledgement returning from PC3 to switch 3, switch 3 to switch 2, switch 2 to switch 1, switch 1 to switch 0, and finally switch 0 to PC0. And here, if you want check the different simulation of the layer wise, then we just click on that devices that show the different layer and their operation also. Thank you.